Kimchi pancakes are delicious, but they are not always easy to make crispy at home. Today, I'm going to show you how to make extra crispy kimchi pancakes with one simple ingredient. They are crispy outside, soft inside, and so hard to stop eating. First, let's prepare the most important ingredient, kimchi. Cut the kimchi into small pieces so the texture is better and easier to eat. And for kimchi pancakes, ripened kimchi tastes much better. Now let's make the batter. Add 1 cup of flour to a bowl. And this is today's crispy secret ingredient, rice flour. Rice flour makes the pancake much crispier. Add only half cup of dry rice flour. Pour in 1 cup of water first. I used the dry rice flour for this recipe. If you use wet rice flour, you may need less water. Then add half cup of kimchi juice. Kimchi juice adds much more flavor, so you don't need extra salt. If you don't have a kimchi juice, add about half cup more water and season lightly with the salt instead. If the batter feels too thin, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour to adjust the consistency. Now add the chopped kimchi. About 1.5 cups is perfect. Add about half cup of ground pork. Adding pork gives the kimchi pancake a richer flavor and more satisfying texture. Keeping the flour, water, and kimchi ratio close to 1 to 1 to 1 makes kimchi pancakes easy and delicious. Heat the pan well first. Add a generous amount of oil. For crispy kimchi pancakes, it's better to use a little extra oil. Before adding the batter, drop in a little bit first. If it sizzles right away, the pan is ready. Now pour in the batter and spread it thinly. Thin pancakes turn out much crispier. Start on high heat first, then reduce to medium heat and cook until golden brown. Carefully flip it over halfway through. If you need it, add a little more oil around the edges. Cook the other side until crispy and golden brown too. Can you hear that crispiness? Just adding rice flour makes a huge difference in texture. It's crispy outside, full of savory kimchi flavor inside, and seriously delicious. Especially when it's freshly made, it tastes so good. Definitely try making crispy kimchi pancakes this way. If this video helped you, please give it a like. I will see you in the next video.